Thank you for considering Bailey's Comfort Services as your HVAC contractor. Hi, I'm Hank Gautreaux, Project Manager with Bailey's Comfort Services. We know when it comes to replacing your home's heating and air conditioning system, you have a lot of options to choose from. We hope this video will help you see why choosing Bailey's Comfort Services is the right choice for you and your home. We've been in business since 2005, and we specialize in service, maintenance, and installation of residential heating and air conditioning systems. Our core values are that we will build lasting relationships by always giving 100% dedication to honesty, integrity, overwhelming support to our customers, co-workers, company, and community. Our team brings those core values to you when they show up to do the work. We're going to come in, sit down, and have a conversation with you. We'll ask you several questions about preferences for your home. This helps us to advise you later when it comes to choosing options for your system replacement. This will take about an hour. At that point, we'll take a look around your home. We'll go into the attic, basement, crawl space, and wherever your ductwork is located. Expect that we'll take some pictures while we're there as well. Keep in mind that the options are all good options. They'll all heat and cool your home comfortably. It's just a matter of how you get there, how efficiently you get there. Each package will include some different options as well. A maintenance plan, manufacturer's warranty, or an extended warranty. Maintenance is really important even when you have a brand new system. We perform a load calculation with every installation. This is the only correct way to determine the sizing of your new system, and we do want to be precise. With all that in mind, we want you to be completely comfortable choosing Bailey's Comfort Services, which is why we guarantee our work. We have 4 different guarantees that are going to be very important to you. Our 100% satisfaction guarantee, which tells you if you're unsatisfied for any reason whatsoever, we're going to make it right. Our performance guarantee, which tells you that the equipment will perform as we say it will for your home. Our warranty guarantee, which tells you we have the best warranties and guarantees in the industry. And our low price guarantee, which tells you that apples to apples, we have the absolute best price for the equipment and installation you're going to receive. We are so appreciative for the opportunity to earn your business, and we are confident that Bailey's Comfort Services is the right choice for you.